Hello, and welcome to the NVT Phybridge Spanning Tree tutorial video. My name is Nico, and today we'll be enabling Spanning Tree Protocol on the Flex 2410G managed switch. Let's start by explaining what is Spanning Tree Protocol. Spanning Tree Protocol is a network protocol used to prevent Layer 2 switching loops. Spanning tree occurs when nodes on a redundant network send repeating signals to one another in an infinite loop, overloading the network and causing what is known as a broadcast storm. Redundant links are necessary within a network to ensure that the network is still functional when there are link downs on one of the connections. Spanning Tree Protocol is used to eliminate Layer 2 broadcast storms by preventing access to one of the redundant links until it is necessary to re-enable the other and maintain network connectivity. In order for us to make these configurations, we will enable Spanning Tree Protocol from the command line interface. Enter global configuration mode using configure space terminal, and then spanning-tree mode STP to enable spanning tree. We can also create rapid spanning tree protocol and multiple spanning tree protocol configurations by entering spanning tree mode RSTP or spanning tree mode Mstp respectively. We will provide an example of enabling these later on in the video. To give a brief explanation on the different types of spanning tree protocol, STP enables spanning tree protocol, which is the original spanning tree loop protection. This protocol offers a 30 to 50 second reconvergence time when there is a link down. RSTP, or Rapid Spanning Tree Protocol, is similar to the original spanning tree protocol. However, it offers a reduced convergence time by reducing the amount of states a particular port can be in compared to Spanning Tree Protocol. Because of this, the convergence time for this protocol is about 10 seconds. MSTP, or Multiple Spanning Tree Protocol, allows for multiple VLANs to be assigned to a spanning tree instance. Multiple instances can be created, and each instance operates independently from others. A physical cabling loop may not cause any issues with MSTP, since MSTP works at the logical VLAN level. MSTP runs on top of RSTP, so you can expect some rapid convergence times with MSTP as well, similar to that of RSTP. In this example video, we will be enabling Rapid Spanning Tree on one of the Flex 2410Gs and enabling it as the root bridge within our network. Therefore, we will begin by enabling RTSP as well as using commands to edit the bridge priority value to have it establish as the root bridge within our network. The commands needed to make these configurations will be configure terminal, spanning-tree mode RSTP, spanning-tree MST 0 priority 4096. The default priority for all NVT Phybridge switches is 32768. Assuming all of the switches in the topology are left at their default priority, this switch will become the root bridge because its priority has been set to 4096, which is lower than the default 32768. And now that we've finished making these configurations, we can use the end prompt to return to privileged exec mode. And then copy running-config startup-config. And this is done to save our configurations upon startup. We can also enable these changes through the graphic user interface by going into the admin page, entering the service tab, selecting RSTP, and then selecting our desired bridge priority value, and hitting apply. Here's our basic Rapid Spanning Tree Protocol setup, which will prevent any broadcast storms while maintaining network redundancy. The Flex 2410G and all other 10G managed switches are capable of much more robust configuration settings, such as enabling BPDU guards, enabling edge detection, role restrictions when selecting the root port, all readily available at the administrative guide available at nvtphybridge.com. Thank you again for watching, and have a great day.